apparatus for the thermometric titration. The titration will be done in the expanded polystyrene cup. We've got one resting inside another, and in the burette here we've got 2 molar sodium hydroxide solution. If we have a look inside the flask, you can see that we've got 25 centimeters cubed of 2 molar hydrochloric acid, and here we've got a temperature probe which is connected wirelessly to the display. We've also got an automatic stirrer stirring at the bottom. We're also going to introduce the pH probe, which at the moment is resting in a pH 7 buffer, and that too is linked wirelessly to the display. So to start the titration, we'll put the probe, pH probe, into the acid, and then add alkali in measured volumes, and we will be able to record both the pH and the temperature of the mixture during the titration as the alkali is added to the acid.